Hello guys, what is going on? Welcome to another tutorial video. I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day. As you can probably hear, I have come down with a bit of a cold, so you'll excuse my voice. However, in this video, what I'll be explaining to you guys is how you can do a barrel roll in Asphalt 9 Legends. Now, as you can see guys, I'm currently playing the tutorial level, and the reason I'm doing this is because I need actual ramps to do a barrel roll, and this is the only map that I know of so far that has them. So, to explain what a barrel roll is pretty much when you're launched into the air and you pretty much do a corkscrew maneuver, or rather you spin around, how do I explain this, on a horizontal axis. Yeah, I think that's the best explanation I can give. So as you can see, here is the ramp, and once I click it, or rather I think I need to drag it for the tutorial, once I go on the actual ramp, as you can see, once I launch, I do this sort of corkscrew maneuver, and that is what a a barrel roll is. It pretty much serves no other purpose other than aesthetics. It looks nice, and it's just whatever you do automatically whenever you go on a ramp, as you can see. So yeah, you can do it through any controls. You'd have to actually wait for a ramp, and that is pretty much it. There's nothing else I can add to this. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you had fun, and I hope you learned something new. And I will see you guys in another video. If you like this video, please like it. If you want to see more tutorials, please subscribe to our channel. And if your friends need help, feel free to share our videos. We do a lot of tutorials on a lot of different topics. And yeah, that is pretty much it. And I'll see you guys next time.